it never happened, and now we were nothing. All right, traders. Still in that trade, by the way. Did DCA on one more contract there, guys, but I am waiting and watching. So, ladies and gentlemen, give me 1 second as I get this hooked back up the trade caster, baby. All right, guys, I don't want to see this taking off. That is one thing I don't really want to see, traders. I think playing the range here is a little bit concerning as we're holding up still. But we have yet to hit up here. Again, in on 2 micros. I mean, 2 minis, though. So you got to be very careful. Yeah, so I definitely think that we will be good to go, though. If we get a little bit of a retracement here, a little bit of a pullback, we're good to go. All right, let me know if it's super duper. Yup, it is again. Damn, guys. Okay. All right. All right, guys. The stream is lagging right now. Is my audio lagging, or is it just traders? For anyone still in the chat here, by the way, thank you guys for your patience. Thank you guys for being here. Is my audio lagging, or is it just my face cam? Yep, drop frames. Yeah, I can't adjust the bit rate while I'm streaming, guys. I really do want to see that area come in on SPY. Guys, I still am in this trade. Hopefully you guys, it's nothing crazy for you guys. Hopefully it's just my face cam. Hopefully it's just... And it does figure itself out here. Because I do want to see this thing sell off here, traders. As I know it can if we get a red candle in here. So if we go red, red, red here, guys, I know we can sell off. But I know we might get a push up into that area. So just all a patience game on it, traders. So touching that 200-day, guys. Need to see some rejection here. And a fall off. So yes, I still do have my personal funded. I still do have all my accounts and everything like that, traders. I am just waiting and watching on this eval. Getting a little cray-cray on it. Just waiting and watching, man. I can now adjust this a little bit further down. Down to that trend line, guys. You guys let me know what you guys see, what you guys, you know, what you guys are experiencing. Is my audio okay, or is it just my face cam? I see my face cam's lagging on even on my end. So, traders, I am looking for some shorts to come in here, guys. I know that we're getting a little bit of a push back up here, guys, but I feel as if with the chopping action, we get one dump a Rooski, we are going to dump a Rooski, traders. You guys feel me? You guys feel me? All right, word. No, I think one dump Rooski, we get back down to 87 areas. We will start to dump here. Again, looking for some sort of red to come in here. Just to see what it looks like. Just to see how we feel about it. Etc, guys. So I could DCA in on 2 more. Average myself back up to about 94 there. On 4 minis, but I don't really want to have to do that here. I would love for this thing to dump down to the 60, 87 level and then start to really reverse. That is a clear break of structure then. We're right now touching structure. So if we break this low here, come back down to even 90, guys, we will start dumping and selling off. So touching the 200-day on NQ overall. Looking for some rejection off it right there. Okay, nice. Want to see red now start to come in, guys. Red across the board makes me feel confident in my trade. Yup, starting to break structure here. Beautiful, starting to come down. Want to see this now hold to the downside. Start to break on all these points. So going to adjust this trend line now, guys. Going to leave that there, but want to see this right here now, guys. So going to move that up a little bit. Now want to see that break of structure to the downside. And then more shorts incoming. Right, guys? So again, hopefully the audio is not lagging. Hopefully you guys can hear me pretty dang well. So I'll type it out for you guys. So hopefully you guys can hear me. My cam is dropping frames, obviously with a little bit of lag, but still in this trade. Filled at 87.75, guys. 287.75. Looking for shorts underneath 287.75 here, guys, for more shorts incoming. So hopefully you guys are able to capitalize off of this, man. If you guys were able to capitalize off the longs, now the retracement coming in, the pullback coming in, I think you guys got it, and we're going to be good to go. Consolidation, absolutely, Chewy. I agree 100%. That's why I think this is just a dump to a consolidation, aka a retracement to the next dump here. So underneath this area right here on SPY, you're going to get a sell-off. Underneath this trend line, like I said, hopefully you guys can hear me. We're going to actually, let's check that out. Let's pause the music really quick and make sure you guys can hear me. YB, how can you do that? I'll just play my stream. Actually, let's check that out. Let's pause the music really quick and make sure you guys can hear me. Yeah, how can you do that? I'll just play my stream. Oh, there you guys go. Okay, you guys can still hear me. That's beautiful. It's what we're looking to see, what we're looking to hear, guys. We will get a drop underneath that 90 area. We break this view up. We break that 200. We're getting a drop underneath those levels for more shorts incoming, guys. Just want to give that little announcement there. So here we go, traders, waiting and watching on it. I know we're going to get that drop coming in. Just got to be patient. Love that we're touching here on SPY. Let's see the one candle underneath the trend line. We will get our dump, our sell-off, our dump-a-rooski, guys. So complete confidence in the trade for a sell-off, especially with the topping action coming in on NQ overall. A lot of these plays, man, forming that little bit of a bear flag pattern. I love it. So we'll put it in. I have to note it when I see it. Going from that low all the way up to there, guys. Want to see those lows come back in. Dump-a-rooski, man. I know we'll get it. Give me a green to red on NQ overall. Green to red starting to come in. Want to see it start to come down to the 50. The view op, that's at the price of 910 flat almost. Actually, 910, 909.40, excuse me. 909.40 levels start to come in. That's the trend line. It will start to dump and take off to the downside. You'll start to break those lows, start to pivot to the downside, and you'll be good to go. Very tempted on DCAing in here for another entry so that I can maximize the position on my short entry. Yeah, bro. Coming in here, guys, I really do see those shorts hitting below those points there. NQ overall gets below the price of 910, basically 910, we're going to say. Gets below 910, touches that trend line, it will start to flush with the rest of these positions flushing as well. So S&P starting to touch its trend line, break its trend line. Just noting that. NQ doing the same as well, breaking its. Yup, guys, gonna DCA in here. Beautiful, beautiful position. Beautiful, beautiful play. Underneath these levels here, starting to come in. Like I said, 910 comes in, guys. More shorts are gonna start to flood this market on NQ overall, guys. As we're right near it, I'm looking for the dump-a-rooski. Just raised my DCA up a little bit, up to 89. Looking for the dump-a-rooski right here underneath trend line, underneath view op here, guys. So underneath the view op level right here it is, guys. So it's right around 92. Break of 92 to the downside, down to 91. You guys are going to get that fill. You guys are going to get good. Get green on your position, but red in the market, okay? So that's what we're looking at. Red in the market, but green on your position, guys. So even if we fall down to the price of 70, that is the price. That is probably going to be my take profit in a way, is 70. If we dump down to it. So yes. So like I said, hopefully you guys can still hear me. I know my face cam's lagging a little bit. I'll reset my face cam quickly as we wait on this position to form. But yeah, I need that red. We're looking at that red to come in here on SPY underneath the price of 521.50, guys. So we're about a couple pennies off it. 6.2. Looking for that red to come in. If not, look at that 770 on it, guys. Might have to get out of 2 of these here because we are in on 4 for the dump. Guys, just cut out 2 there. Little bit of a jumper on us, man. Not what we're looking on. I want to be able to capitalize off this for sure, but I don't want to go too heavy to where I have 0 wiggle room. See this thing still ripping here, guys? Might have to exit, which is up here. So don't want to get stuck up in this play. Once again, it's an eval. I don't necessarily care as much, but I would rather not dump on an eval, if that makes sense, guys. So perfect trade is to wait for the short right here on S&P 500, guys. This is the area in which you can wait on. Yup, right here, guys. So as we're coming up here, this is the area. I might exit out and then re-enter in on a little bit. I don't know. I say this is our top in a way. So again, guys, I'm playing very degenerate today. very degenerate today, as I am just capitalizing off of the play at hand, looking for a Dumperooski on an evaluation account, guys. On an eval account. I want to note that so much so you guys don't think this is my funded and I'm getting so nuts on it. I want you guys to know that, man. This is an eval, 100% an eval account, okay? You guys got it. You guys get the picture. You guys are like, holy crap, YB, I get it. All right, Betty, just making sure. So red's starting to come in, guys, but I just see a little bit more of a push, guys. I don't know. We got to wait and see, man. I want to see that top out right here, guys, and then start to dump back down to your 200. Right there was your cracking area. We almost had that come in. I want to see more dumping come in, though, on S&P 500, guys. So with more red coming in on NVDA, NQ, I don't know why I said NVDA, you can get back down to that view up, and I do expect more shorts to come in. I don't want to go against the momentum and stuff, but at the exact same time, I do expect those short cities to come in and push this market down off of these highs, right? So like we just had that push up here. Now you can see a retracement back down, and especially because S&P has yet to break those basically areas here, I want to see that dumping coming in. Continuing to come in here, looking at the rest of my plays here. We are just getting mad and crazy though right now, dude. I will say that. The NVDA dumping, gotta wait, gotta have the patience for it, traders. Can't really hold too much above. We're in this area here, but I need to see it dump off this area right here, traders. So obviously 500 left on it. Want to see it dump a Rooski right here, traders. Again, ladies and gentlemen, with the funded, I billion% am not taking these types of trades. With my eval, I am a little bit more chaotic, a little bit more crazy. Should I be? Not really. It's not good for you guys to see. So if I do, we take an hour or anything like that, I'll load up another one, guys. We will start fresh or something like that, and I will be disciplined on it. Just because of you guys, man. The more I think about it, I don't need you guys watching any degeneracy. Even though it's fun to watch. It's still, bro. It's fun to watch, bro. Someone going in crazy heavy size and stuff like that. I still don't need you guys to be thinking that's okay to do. So you have to have risk reward management. You have to have an RR ratio on every trade you take. You have to have risk management on every trade you take. I love that we're rejecting that area. I do see shorts coming in down to this area, in which we will be completely fine. We'll get our Dumperooski. We'll get even down to 50s here from 90s. What is that? Every 10 points is $400. Yeah, coming right down. Every 10 points is 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 1600. Yeah, basically back to green. We'd be up $100 on the day on that. Yeah, 100%, dude. NQ overall coming down. Nice upper shadow there on the 5-minute on ES SPY. NQ just having a nice top right there. So love it. Want to see it flush down here and get its nice crack. Still holding this area. I love it. Want to see it dump underneath this said point right here. If it dumps underneath that said point on S&P 500, you guys are good to go. Let's build the energy up a little bit here, guys. Want to see the red come in here, traders. Want to see the actual crack of our area. Again, want to see the Dumperooski come in down to our lows here, all the way down to 90 areas. We're filled at 92, starting to get our crack of the area here, of our trend line there. Want to see the trend line crack on S&P 500. We'll get our nice Dumperooski. We will be good to go. We'll be good to go here, traders. Still holding this play out. Still love it. Still loving it. Underneath 300, down to 292. Below that, essentially 290. Good to go, traders. Good to go. Good to go, baby. Looking for our Dumperooski to come in. So as we wait and watch, guys, want to see this thing Dumperooski here, baby. Getting underneath those points now, traders, for the first time. Getting underneath those points now for the first time. Want to see that red come in, traders. Want to see that red come in, traders. Want to see that red come in, traders. Right here it is, starting to come in. If it pushes down to 521.50, that's the area, man. 521.50. That's where this thing can start to turn underneath trend. Remember, underneath trend there, guys. We'll get crazy. Gonna load up a song real quick. Looking to push this thing up. Excuse me, push this thing down. So just kind of riding the long side wave right now, guys. Really hard to fight that wave. Really hard to fight it. ES is trying its hardest. NQ is trying its hardest. All of these plays trying their hardest. Touching those lows. Big upper shadows on them. Nothing too crazy you can do. DJT, wow, up to 56.50. Love that. But yes, man. Just got to wait and watch, man. So crank the music, traders. Get the energy up. Hopefully you guys can still hear this. So looking for red to come in, guys. Traders, your crack is now coming. Below 50 more shorts, guys. Below 50 more shorts on SPY. Coming below 90 there on NQ overall, guys. NQ starting to get your crack. Traders, below 50 starting to come in. Want to see red on your time and sales, traders. The second you guys take over and you decide to be great, you will be great, ladies and gentlemen. It's that simple. You make one choice in your life, you start to decide to become great, you will become great. That's as simple as it is. I can't explain it any better. That's it. The second you decide to become a profitable trader, you will become a profitable trader. It's all in the mind, baby. I know you guys can't see me because of my face cam, but that's the truth, ladies and gentlemen. Looking for more shorts to come in, traders. I'm just spitting facts for you. Hopefully you guys are enjoying it. We're getting a push all the way down to our low a day here, traders. A crack all the way down to our low a day here, traders. All the way down to 60 and below. All the way down to 50 and below. Traders, that's it. Looking for more shorts. A beautiful, beautiful playing position. More dumping action coming in. Love it here, traders. Below 80. More shorts coming in. Ladies and gentlemen, I love it, baby. Great. You decided to be great. Traders, I love it. I love it, ladies and gentlemen. Holding these lows, more shorts coming in, pushing these lows for some more action. Want to see these lows hold, guys. Want to see these lows hold. That was the crack we're looking at, and now we're looking for them to hold up. More dumping to come in. Look at that. NQ overall holding these lows. Looking for NQ overall to push 405, traders. Looking for those lows to come in again. Take the money. Don't be greedy. Chewy. I have a feeling for more crack. We're waiting on a certain level. So it's all about the risk to reward ratio. I am looking for a certain level to come in. I am with you, though. I know we can get more of a dumping down to 405s, down to those lows. Don't worry. I got you, though. Look at that. Green or red on this candle. You guys are good to go. Red coming into the low of this candle. You guys are good. You can just put in a trailing stop loss. So looking for more red to come in. Seeing if we're going to get it right here. Green or red on this candle. Below 80, you're going to get a dump. Look at that. Green or red here on NQ overall. Below that 37, down to 36, down to 35 is what we're looking at, traders. Dude, I know we can get more of a short coming in, guys. I am looking at that red candle to come in, form, get it dump. I know, dude, Chewy's yelling at me right now. I know we can get it, though, man. I'm not trying to be greedy. I know, don't be greedy, I know. But I know we can get that one dump for Ruski down to that 35 point for more shorts. Where am I looking at? Basically 70. And I'll put a take profit in at 70, and I'll let it rock, guys. I was looking for more of a short to come in. I know if we short this market down to these lows, it can now hold these lows and get more of a sell-off. It was selling off all morning. I'm looking for more of it to come in. I know we can get more of that sell-off coming in. NVDA just got a crack of its trend line, guys. Looking for more of a short to come in on that play. NQ just got a crack of its trend line, guys. Looking for more of a short to come in on that play. NQ overall, all of these plays. This is just the next little push to the next dump is what I'm expecting. So looking for a push down to 77. We are so close to it, traders. So traders, waiting and watching, man. Second you decide to become great, man, you become great. That's it. It was one mental decision. It's all you got to take. So looking for a low down to 82, below 82, all the way down to 77, guys. That's it. I expect that to come in with the shorts coming in. Yup. 82 down to 77, guys. So waiting and watching now. Red on that time and sale starts to come in, you guys are good to go. This play is going to get that dump Baruski you guys are looking at and looking for another short incoming, guys. I see it coming in here on S&P, NQ overall, touching that trend line right now. That's even being, you know, considered right there. Let's go right there. More red coming in, guys. If I can get that red candle to come in, you guys are good to go. Waiting and watching, traders, man. I know, like I said, Money Monday, you have to be very bit. And remember, it's Money Monday of CPI data. Holding these lows, man. Look at that thing, bro. Why does that look like 9, bro? So coming in, man. I know we can get it. I don't really want to see it. You know, S&P not moving. That's the main thing, though. So I didn't think about that. I guess we're still, I guess we're still in that area. This could be a quick little double top to another short, but we need to see the red come in right here, guys. I do expect this to come in at this rate. Look at that, guys. I'm telling you, man. Head and shoulders pattern now hitting. More shorts coming in. We spiked down to this low here, guys. That is my take profit down to 70. But I am for sure if we get down below that point right there of 83, we will dump for more. Coming right down to it. 92, we're cracking underneath now, guys. 83 coming near, guys. Nice red candle forming, traders. Beneath 83, guys. Want to see it hold these lows. Hold these lows. More dumping coming in. Why? S&P pushing that low as well. Guys, hold these lows. More dumping coming in. I love that candle formation, guys. I love it. NQ overall is still forming here. I say, dude, we're going to get more dumping. If NQ overall holds below, crack down to 905 here, NQ overall. And NQ have no choice but to dump for some more. So Meta topping out. Let's take a look at some of these chips. Tesla topping out. Apple, the only thing holding this up that I personally see right now is Apple. Again, just holding out through the consolidation. Microsoft topping out. Let's go to Google as well. Google topping out, guys. NVDA already did top out. Want to see it break that little structure right here to the downside. Want to see red on this candle. See what it looks like. That's a little tight. Head and shoulders pattern did form. Need to see it crack now. Need to see that red come in right here, traders. Remember, only holding out 2 minis, but getting some more coffee in the system. Getting some more fuel. Getting some more fuel in the system, boys. Big upper shadow now, guys. Want to see the red come in. Want to see the red hit. Tesla about to sell off. Tesla touching VWAP looking to sell off. Want to see that red hit, traders. Right here it is, man. We are right there. Ladies and gentlemen, we have selling coming in across the board right now, traders. Again, NQ overall. NQ coming in. Telling you, man, shorters are going to take this over. Push this thing to the downside, man. Exactly what I'm looking at and looking for, man. I love it. I love it for more selling coming in, guys. I truly do. I expect more selling coming in. I'm not even going to DCA. I'm going to let this thing dump. Down to 70. You're catching 90 to 70. What is that? 4. That's about $800 on the play. That'll get you right around break even on that. And I will take it. All right, Chewy, I'll be with you. Guys, we're getting our crack here on NQ overall. Down to our lows. Ladies and gentlemen, down to our lows. Beautiful, beautiful play. Down to our lows here. Want to see this thing continue to hold to the downside. So not a bad position, especially if this thing gets underneath 92. That's kind of our base area, down to 82. I'm telling you guys, you crack that low there, traders, you guys will dump. This thing right here goes green to red. Right there, just that little bit of green to red. Dumping action coming in, breaking these lows. Bro, red coming in, boys, I'm telling you. Traders of all sorts, I'm telling you. I'm telling you, man, I won't be greedy. Yo, shout out to LJ, baby. Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah, bro. What? Yeah, buddy. Ryan sending me a text, securing a nice one before noon. Here it comes, traders. Here it comes, traders. More shorts coming in. Down to your lows here, guys. Getting a nice dumperooski. It can flush. I am looking at 70. I am looking at 70. I'm letting you guys know that right now. I am looking at 70 for more shorts incoming. Hold these lows, finally. Hold these lows, finally, guys. Hold these lows, S&P, NQES. Hold these lows, dump for more. Down to below 5, I know NQ is going to sell off. You get below 905 NQ overall, NQ is going to sell off. I'm telling you. Get below 905 here. Just ticked. I want to see it hold below 905. You guys are good to go. Below 905, I know NQ is going to sell off. All of these levels will start to sell off. You will get your lows. You will get your push down. We are right there, traders. We are right there. I really don't want to be greedy, but I know as if we break this low, we are good to go. Want to see green hold up here, man. Want to see us stay green here and hold these lows, man. Traders, what are we seeing right now? Hold on. Let's turn the music down a little bit, traders, and I'll tell you exactly what we're seeing. Give me 1 second. All right, traders. So let's talk about it really quick, guys. What are we experiencing right now, guys? Hold on, let's turn the music down a little bit. Guys, even pause the music, guys. What are we experiencing right now? We are experiencing a little bit of consolidation, guys. We are experiencing that little bit of chop city. We want to see the dumperooski come in. Now, what do we know? We know that today is CPI data Monday. What does that mean? Today will be slower. Whether we're going to tick down and we're going to continue to inch down, which is what I would love to see, is just inching down a little bit by little bit. That is exactly what we're looking at then. And then that's all you're going to get is an inch down, maybe a nice little push down, nice little chop around 521, another push down, nice little chop around 520.50. Guys, that is it. And then what happens is you guys can lock out your position, be up on the day, be green, get out. If you guys are trading a funded, please, 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 for everything about me, everything I'm saying right now is true, traders. Be cautious. Go do the back testing. Maybe switch over to paper. Maybe switch over to an eval. Do everything you can. Do not waste your fundeds, guys. Wednesday, we're going to have a move, and after Wednesday, we're going to have some nice movement. Guys, I'm looking for another leg down to like 521 here for some more consolidation, for another leg down, and then some more consolidation, then another, you know what I mean, guys, for that nice holding these lows. I love S&P. I love how NQ's continuously touching these lows as well. So that's what we're looking at now, guys. That's it. So traders, if we can continue to touch these lows, continue to hold these lows out, I know we'll be good to go for another short entry. Not another short entry, excuse me, to be able to TP, guys. So that's it. So, what level are you looking at personally, YB? YB, personally, I am looking at 70, guys. I'm looking at 70 to come into play, 70 flat to come into play. We had those lows hit a couple different times. You might even be looking at the low of 74. That could be a low entry. Excuse me, not low entry, but a low to TP on. So 74 right around here. I'll mark it right around there, guys. 74, guys. And you were looking for shorts to come in beneath this point here on S&P, down to 521, down to 520, 75s, 520, 50s, right? So if you get a nice short, I would more or less honestly say 521, guys. And then underneath that, the 520, 2075. 520.75 is that key level, it seems to be. I'm looking at why I think we get another leg down to 520.75, essentially. You guys get what I mean? So if you guys are waiting, you guys are watching, you guys are holding this play out right now. Next candle form is beautiful. I was just about to say that. I want to see the next candle form right at this area and then get our Dumparuski underneath our points of 77 down to 70, allowing us to take profit. Sometimes you got to hold a little bit longer for these plays, and that's okay. I love the green to red here. If we hit this on SPY, below these points of 521.18, Dumparuski underneath it, you guys are going to get your crack Dumparuski. Nice leg down is what's going to come in. So, looking for the next leg down. We've been talking about this entire time, guys. Here it may come right here, guys. Starting to come in. Going from green to red on this candle. Back down to 521.18. Nice red coming in on the time and sales there. Love, love, love it. Want to see it start to hit, man. Want to see it start to hit. Green to red on that candle. Down to the 521.18 levels is beautiful. Need to see that low come in. Need to see it kind of hit. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. So hopefully that will kind of make sense. Hopefully I'm not just rambling on a little bit. Am trying to talk myself obviously through this play as well. But yes. So exactly what I'm looking at. Oh, my bad, guys. My bad. On my screen, I can see him. My bad, guys. So, yes. So, as you see, we're in that consolidation, guys. All we're looking at is a nice Dumparuski underneath 520 right here. And this may hold out for a long time. You may just be in this chop for a decent amount of time, guys. You get down to 520.70. Why am I saying 70, guys? Why am I saying 70? Why am I saying right here? Well, like YB, that's not the low of the day on NQ. That's not the low of the day on a lot of these points. So why am I saying 70? Just due to the fact that that is that low range. We had 1 wick, 2 wick. We came underneath. We had another wick. I could see us holding out near that area and getting another Dumparuski, guys. So, yep. So, hopefully, Charlie, that kind of helps you out. Hopefully, you can see that now, guys. And you guys might be able to get a DCA in. I might DCA in on some micros, guys. I may DCA on some micros here. If we get push up, just play the consolidation. Especially if we get a crack here, I think I might actually do that. Instead of getting in on another mini, if we get a crack of that 21, honestly, I'm gonna move this down to 18 on SPY. We get a crack of that level right there. I'm gonna go MNQ, and I'm gonna go instead of 15 there because we were getting a little crazy on Friday. Go to 5, guys. Going down to 5. We get a crack of that low there. I might even have the entry placed. Let's see, like right there. Sell 5 micros near 80. Y81 underneath our 82 level, underneath 83. I think the shorts are gonna come in. If that's not this area right there, I will obviously adjust it and get in a little bit earlier. But yup, so 100%. That's 5 micros. I'm looking to short here, guys. Underneath this price, we're coming down to it again. Let's check out the level 2, see if we're stuck here. Let's see if we're stuck here. Or let's see, we could just crack right now underneath 20, guys. Right there's that wall starting to hit 20. Right there it is, traders. Right there's that 21. 19 starting to come in, ladies and gentlemen. Waiting and watching, traders. Love it. So if you guys get that proper crack, you guys will be able to bank Ito off of it. Had a little bit of a bounce, about 5 cents there. Holding these lows out. Want to see 20 come back into play on our bid. Not our ask, on our bid. Want to see 20 come back into play. Well, on our ask would be great. That means it cracked. But on our bid, man, want to see that come back into play. Shorters take this thing back down here, guys. So that's it, man. That's it. So is my... Oh, man, my clock's not open for you guys either. My clock is not open for you guys either, man. So I am still watching on the play. I still have the play open. Still am waiting and watching on it. I don't want to see a breakout. I realistically want to see shorts come in off of this. Right? Why? We have that consolidation. We're holding these lows. We have that wall. I know sellers want it, but it's hard for sellers to take it over right here, guys. Okay? So that's realistically it. So right here we are on NQ overall. Starting to top out again. Maybe another short entry right underneath this 200. Will I get on a 5 micros right here? Actually, not a bad position at all. Want to see shorts come in right around here, guys. I know they can. If we get a red candle here, guys, I can see my trend line starting to form. So I can actually, I'll take this. And again, guys, today I was willing to risk an eval. I was willing to risk all of these positions and stuff. Why? Why, B? Why are you willing to risk it? Because I know that today was going to be slow and choppy. That's why I did not trade my funded, traders. That's why I am not trading my funded. I have a little bit of wiggle room left on the funded and stuff like that. I'm looking to secure another one on Wednesday. So that's why today, this is my basically, hey, let's trade. Let's have some fun with it. Let's have a nice, easy, laid back Money Monday. Right, if I don't want to see this thing really rip and run pop here, I will have to obviously get out of this position. But with S&P holding these lows, if it continues to hold these lows, this will just be a pop to another drop. Basically, a push up and then consolidation to another dump. Might be able to get filled actually in this area for another short entry. That's actually not a bad spot at all. Above our 200. Did I get filled?
Order filled.
There we go. All right, guys, filled on this. Want to see more shorts come in. I know, guys, it is kind of risking a little bit on it. Once again, next time we trade, if I load up another eval, if this one goes to crap, not that it is, not that it will, obviously, not that it will or anything like that, traders. But if it were to or anything like that, traders, we will just take our EMA strategy, and I'll show you guys how profitable that is. I'll show you guys how profitable that looks and how many trades a day you really take with that. So maybe we'll do a challenge, guys. Maybe I'll do a challenge with you guys where we do basically a challenge of, hey, we're gonna do an EMA only EMA strat only. Right? Here's the thing with the EMA strategy, guys. It is literally like ICT. It is amazing. It is awesome to see. It is awesome like to play. You know, we have traders that bank off it day in and day out, just using your 200 in your VWAP. It is such an easy position to play in consolidation and chop and stuff, right? Stream is very laggy. I know, bro. I know my face cam for some reason, bro. I look like I'm freaking. I look like I got a face cam from like the 40s, right, dude? I know, guys. So if you guys can bear with me on it, man, it's just today. Only today it'll be like this. It's definitely just because of the rain recently, and everything like that. Obviously, putting a couple more things on the internet. My charts and everything are loading. Hopefully, my voice is also loading for you guys perfectly fine, and you guys are able to hear me fine for any of my entries and stuff. So that's the biggest thing. You guys don't even need to see my face, really. I may turn it off, but is it also here? Let's see if that'll lower my bit rate. Here, let's do this, guys. Guys, give me 1 second. I'm still in this play. Give me 1 second. I will be right back. I'm going to go lower my bit rate to see if that's going to help at all, essentially. So give me 1 second, guys.